Hello everyone, welcome to Analytical Developer. I am going to show how to analyze the data of car sales. Today in this video, we will see how to do in a better way. We will cover everything, how to analyze the data through Python. Through Python I will do like whatever we will do project through Jupyter Notebook. And we use many libraries. We use 4 libraries like Seaborn, Numpy, Pandas, Matplotlib. We will use this library to analyze the data of car sales. And I have taken this data from Kaggle, and I will put data set in description. You can download from description, and you can make this project. And one of the most important things, like I will cover basic to advanced. Suppose you haven't worked before in Jupyter Notebook, then this is video for you as well. And I will cover everything basic to advanced. And another things, like when you put this project, and also when you cover this, one most important thing, like when you complete this project and you will fill the form like that is the given in description, then you will get the certificate of project completion. Like this is the free certificate. Only you need to focus on this project. Whatever I will guide in this video, okay, how to make this project, you just focus on making the project, and after that complete the video, and after that you will get the certificate through Gmail, like within 2 days. Like it will take 2 days after. But suppose you have been completed, you will complete this project today, then you will get 2 days later of certificate. And one important thing, like you can post over the LinkedIn, and also it help you, and also you can add in the resume, then that help you a lot to get a job in the front of HR. You will say, yeah, I have done one project, certification project. Then then it's more priority to give you, like HR will give you more priority, and it will help you to get a job. And also, they will talk about what will you get and what will you learn after completing this video. Like you will get product completion certificate free of cost, I have already told you. And second things, like resume and LinkedIn building, you can post over the LinkedIn, you can in resume, that help you a lot to get a job. And you will learn how to use the Jupyter Notebook. And also I will cover Python library, Pandas, Numpy, Seaborn, Matplotlib, how to use to analyze the data in Jupyter Notebook. And also we learn how to do the data cleaning and analysis. So Pandas, Python library, data visualization, we learn with Matplot and Seaborn library. We will take use of Matplot and Seaborn to data visualization. And what will you get? It means all data, all file of this project you will get. First, you will get project Jupyter Notebook file. I will put in description, you will get. And second things, you will get dataset in CSV form, and a step by step project document. Whatever we are talking about, like this document, this step of document you will get. And we will use the tool, tools of this project. Excel we will use, Jupyter Notebook use, and programming language for this project we will use Python. And a step of this project, first step in this project is, like, first understand the data set. Let's go and understand the data set of Excel. And second, understand about business. We will follow this step while making this project. First we will go to see the data set, and we will understand the data set. Let's go in Excel. Yeah, this is the data set. Here is the name, like name of the car is showing. Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah, name showing name of car. There are lots of car names, and here which year like car has been sold. This is the year column, and in year column we see total year is given, and selling price, and kilometer, and also fuel showing that car sold by you, and that is the CNG, diesel, electric, LPG, whatever. And sales type, that sales is happened through dealer or individual, yeah, trust mark leader, dealer, that is the given. And also transmission, That transmission means car is manual or automation. Or owner status, like car is first owner, your fourth owner, your second owner, your test drive car, your third owner. Like this is the data, okay? And we will analyze to Jupyter Notebook. And what's the insight we will get? I will show the project overview. Let's see. Before project overview, we will see like business requirement is there. This is the business requirement. I will tell you everything. There are 6 business requirements is given. Like this is the business requirement, and we will cover everything. Like I will show you what the business requirement. First business requirement is which car is best selling in the company, and second is in which year were the most sell made. What was the most common type of fuel used by the car? In which sales type were most of the sales made to individual, dealer or trust smart dealer? This is the sixth question. Like car are usually manual or automation? Are vehicle generally sold as first hand, second hand vehicle or something else? Like this is the business requirement. Like business owner asks to us, like we are as a data analyst, and we will solve this problem through the Jupyter Notebook. While analyzing the data, we will get this insight through the Jupyter Notebook, and we will show the overview of Jupyter Notebook project. What we have done, and you will done in this project. You will see. Like this is the complete project we will do. Like car data analysis. This is the 8 column in this table, and first we import this one, Numpy, Pandas, like that, and this is the data frame, data set. Import the data from read CSV, and I am showing a overview. Then we will do a step by step after some time. First we will show you as an overview, then after that we will cover everything, every syntax in this project, and df head, tail, info, shape. Like shape showing means number of column. This one showing number of column. This one showing number of. This one showing number of rows. This one showing 8 is number of column. Describe and also original we will cover. Yeah, first question, which car is the best selling in the company? And we write the syntax and we get the answer. Yeah, and after that we get the answer, Maruti Suzuki, and we will understand the process of this project. I am showing the overview, and after that we also visualize in the format of pie chart. This is the bar chart. And also second question, in which year were the most sell? We will do similar things, and we get the answer at last. In 2017 we get most sales. And what is the most common type fuel? Like most common type diesel. You will get like everything. I will analyze step by step. I want your time, 2 hour time. I will cover everything. Yeah, this is the at least result we will get. Like there are 6 questions asked by us, asked by owner, and we will doing this one, business owner. Yeah, this is the important thing I'm telling. This is the practical knowledge you are getting, and like in every business this is happening, and this is the practical knowledge you have to learn. Yeah, now I am going to show about business, like business step. Where is business step? uh, like we understand the excel format means understand the data set. Yeah, we understand the data set. And second thing, we understand about business, what the business do, what the business does about company. Like this is the company name is Car Deco. We took the data from Car Deco company from the Kaggle. Yeah, and Car Deco company is India's leading car searching venture that have the user buy the cars that are right for them. Yeah, and third is company has to tie up with many auto manufacturers, more than 4,000 car dealers and numerical finance institute to facilitate the purchase of vehicles. Yeah, this is about the business. this is about the company, what company it does, and like company name is garbage. Like everything I cover by step. Like this is very beneficial for you. You have to watch this video, and like step second we have covered. Now now we have to understand about business requirement. We have already covered, like there are business requirement is 3 question asked by the business. Like this is 4 question and this is 2 more question, like 6 question asked. Business requirement we have already covered. Now we will go to fourth one, load the data into Jupyter Notebook. If you not have a Jupyter Notebook, just download, and we will whatever we will do in a Jupyter Notebook. If you don't know how to download, that search in a Play Store, not Play Store, in YouTube there are lots of video available. Just you can take advantage from YouTube and you can download, and after that we can continue our project in Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, now it's the time to go to work over the Jupyter Notebook. I have already told about this is the step we will follow in this project. Understand the data set we have already completed, and understand about business, what the business does we have already cleared, and third we have already cleared. Like there are 6 questions in business requirement. This is the 6th question I have already covered, and now it's the time to go on Jupyter Notebook. Fourth question we will do, load the data in Jupyter Notebook through the Pandas. And one important things I'll tell you about this certificate. When you complete this project, then after completing the project you will get it free of cost. There is no any kind of charge I will take. This is the free of cost certificate I will provide when you complete this project, and I will tell you everything detail about how you get the certificate. Only simply one form you will fill, like that required only 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes it will take time to fill the form, Google form. Then you will get within 2 days through the Gmail. That's why first you focus on complete this project, then after that you will think about this certificate, and everything I will tell you at the end of the video, how to fill the form to get this certificate. And this is very important thing. Suppose you will post over the LinkedIn, that boost your profile. And now it's a time to go over the Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, this is the Jupyter Notebook file, and suppose you don't have a Jupyter Notebook, just you can download. Suppose you don't know how to download, just there are lots of video available in YouTube. Just search and go through the video, and after that you can download and continue with this project. And now it's a time to, like, I will take the reference of this file of this project. This is the complete project. I will take a reference of this file, and I will tell you everything, every step, how we'll do in new file, how to load the Excel data in Jupyter. Everything I will tell you in this project. First we will see the data is collected from card deco following the detail of included in dataset. This is the 8 column in dataset. I'll already show you now. This is the 8 dataset. Like this is the 8 column in this dataset, and here is showing 8 dataset. After that, like, import the library, load the dataset. This is the step we will follow. Exploratory, some information about dataset, data visualization, and after that, at last, ultimately we get the result of this project. Of 6 question, owner will ask, like company owner asks to us 6 question, and we will get the answer according to this process. First we will load the data. First we will load the data in Jupyter Notebook. For that we upload. Just click on Jupyter Notebook, and after that you see this screen. Then after that you just showing the upload. Click on upload, and you can load. You can search the data file name, car. Yeah, this is the CVS file name, and just open and upload. Then after within 5 seconds we will see here data is loaded. This is the data, CVS format data, and now it's a time to create new notebook. Then go in a new, and after that click on Python 3. Yeah, after it will take 10 seconds. Then after that Yeah, this is the new notebook, and we will make the project here with the help of this reference. Like we will see how it is doing, and we will do similar things. Whatever, this is the reference of the project, and we will follow the same process here. Yeah, now like first step is here. First of all, we will import the library like Numpy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib. This is the library. First, we will focus on import the library. Yeah, before importing the library, we will put the name of file. Yeah, just click here and fill the name of this project. I want to fill the name car sales analysis. Car sales analysis. Yeah, using Python. This is the project name. Yeah, this is the notebook file name, and now it's the time to import the Python library. There are 4 libraries we will import. First import Numpy, Pandas, Seaborn, then after that Matplotlib, pyplot. Yeah, import Pandas as PD. Yeah, this is the LIC's name. Then after that import Numpy as shortcut name is NP. Yeah, just we can copy from here. It will take more time, that's why I just copy and paste here. You can do manually. Yeah, suppose this syntax, import syntax, whatever you import syntax is not running in your side, then before import syntax, we have to install the library like Python library, whatever we use the import now, like Numpy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, we import. Like then before import, you have to install this library. Then for that we have to write install, like write install a syntax for install the like Python library. Like I'll show you okay how we can install the Python library, like exclamation pip install. But after that I want a Numpy, just write it here and shift enter. Right, then we can install it. Yeah, like this is the syntax. We can install any kind of library, any kind of library, Python library. Suppose I wanna install Pandas, then similar things, only you have to change this one. Like I'll show you. This is showing key requirement already satisfied. It means I have already Numpy, that's why it is showing. Suppose in your side showing installing process will going, right? Suppose you will write this syntax, then your like dashboard is taking time, like only 10 to 20 seconds, and after that it will install. And similar things we will do with every Pandas. Like we use the 4 Pandas now, we have to write it. Like this is the 4 Pandas library I wanna install. That's why we have to do this one. This is first is Numpy for installation for Numpy, second is for Pandas, third is for Matplotlib, and lastly we have installed Seaborn. Yeah, now it's okay. Just shift and enter. Then after that we have to import. First we have to install, then after that we can import. Then I will show you next process. Yeah, now it's a time to load the dataset. For load the dataset, we will use that syntax read CSV df file. Dataset name is data frame name is df is equal to, for loading the dataset, like suppose we wanna load this is the file we wanna load, that syntax is this. Through the Pandas we will load the data. Pandas dot read underscore CSV bracket, then after that in double quote file name is which file we wanna load. We will write the file name, like this is the file name. This is the file name we have already load in notebook. This is the file name I wanna upload in notebook page. Just paste your name, and after that enter and write the df. Then we will get the file. Yeah, we will get the file. And now it's the time to next step, like head. This is the name of data frame, table name, and after that, after dot, we will write the head. It means we will get the top 5 rows from the table, and we will write the tail. It means we will get the 5 row from the bottom. We will do here df dot head. Yeah, 5 row from the top, we wanna 5 row from the bottom. Then we use tail function. Then now it's we have got 5 row from bottom. Now it's time to exploratory some information about dataset. To get the information about dataset, that's why we use the function info. df dot info. Yeah, this is the information about dataset. This is the name of it. This is the 8 column in this table. This is the name. This is the index. Start with 0, and here is showing null value, like not null. Here is like a 4340 null value in this column, and this is the data type object. Information, and also showing here data type object int 64 object int. Like here is a 8 column. Yeah, now it's the time to next step. We want shape. Yeah, shape, it means the code give us the column and number in row information about dataset. Like first, this is showing total number of row, and this is showing total number of column. Yeah, now data frame df is shape. Here like 4340 rows in this table and 8 column in this table dataset. And now we will use the describe function. Yeah, describe function, this code show us some value of numerical value such as mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. Like we will get the range about dataset, what's the total count, what's the mean, like what's the standard deviation, mean, like max value, like we will get. Just we will write here df dot describe. Yeah, here now we will got, and this is the basic syntax, like describe, shape, info. You have to remember this syntax to make this project. To using this syntax, it's a basic syntax, you have to remember it. And now it's a time to second step. Df is null. Is null, we will find the null value. Suppose is null is available, it means showing true. This is showing false. In 0, in first row, name showing false, it means there is no any kind of null value. Suppose showing true, it means null value is available there. And we will check it table content null value or column content null value or not with the help of is null. We will write here df dot is null. Now we will get, yeah, but we can't, this is not showing, this is not a proper is null. We will identify how many null value present in column. That's why we use the sum. Then we will get, like this is this table frame, we can't able to understand how many null value available in column. Like this is the column in null name column, year column, we can't identify. That's why for that things we use is null, after that dot sum. Then we will get total sum. It means when false is showing, it means false is equal to 0. True means 1 value. when name sum, like when in column name false sum false sum false sum, it means 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus total name content 0. Yeah, it means there is no any kind of null value in name, there is no any kind of null value in year, there is no any kind of null value available in this table. With the help of this syntax we can check. And now we will write here df dot is null dot sum. Here where is error? Yeah, we will get here. Yeah, now it's right. Now it's right. There is no any kind of null value. And you know, like in your project you will write everything about what the syntax meaning, like you can define the syntax, right? Like here is a define, no? Like here is everything's written. This code give us number of null value in this data set, and you can write here. Suppose you can write here, this is the code. First you change from here heading, and you can write about this syntax. Yeah, right. In this project I am going fastly, I don't want to take more time in this project, and you can make yourself, you can write about this syntax, what's this syntax does, like similar to these things, right? Detail about every step you can write in this in your project. Yeah, for changing from here, like heading, then you will write, then it will show like that. Suppose you don't change, you can remain coding, then you are able to write the code. Yeah, right. If you want to make the subheading, then just write 2 hatch step. It means the more you write the hatch step, the more small it happen, like that. Next step. Yeah, right. Yeah, this is the subheading. You can write whatever. I want to delete it. There is no, I just show you see how we will do, how you will do. Go edit and delete from here. Yeah, this is the delete. Yeah, now it's okay. Now we will go in next step. What is the next step? Like we wanna see how many columns available in dataset. Then for that we will use df dot columns. This code give us name of column. This is one. This code give us name of all column in dataset. Just write here, table name is df column. Yeah, this is total column, name column, year column, selling price column, kilometer driven column, fuel. Like this is the total column available in this dataset. Now we wanna see about name column only. I wanna see only name column. Yeah, right. Then write here df, and in a square bracket write the column name. Df table name, write the column name. Yeah, the column name is name. I wanna see only this column, right? Then just write name. Yeah, this is the column name showing in the name column, and we wanna only see the first 5 column, first 5 row from name column. Then just we write df in a square bracket, write the column name. Name is a column name, right? And after that we want head. Head means I have already told you, we show only 5 row from the top, and head we will use in the name column. It means 5 rows showing from the name column. Yeah, now it's the time to, we have already completed from here, like this code we have already completed. Like this code give us top 5 row from the name column. We get the 5 row from name column, 5 top row from the name column. Now it's the time to go to next step. Yeah, now like this is the name column. name column showing the car full name. And like every new column, every car column, like car rows, like showing the company name. Like first word start with company name. Like every car column must contain a one word that showing first word that showing the car company name. And like Maruti, this is the company of this car, Maruti 800 AC. And that means I wanna extract the data of like Maruti from this full name, like company name I wanna extract from this column. Then how we should do about that, like we will use how to do. I wanna make another column that contain in this data type that contain only company car name, like Maruti, Hyundai, like that. Like every first word showing company name of car, that car, right? And I don't want a full car name. I want a company name with new column. Then how we will do, right? Then for that things we will do this syntax, right? This syntax we will use to make a new column to extract the data from name only. This is the showing only company name. To understand about this syntax, first we will go to understand about function and a split. What is the function, what is how to create the function, and what is a split function. When you understand about this two concepts, then you will easily understand about this syntax, how it is working, right? And for that, like how to create the function. There are lots of inbuilt function, predefined function in notebook, right? In this notebook. But I wanna create a function. That how to create the function with the help of this syntax. Def this is my channel name. You can take your name as well, like anything you get, you can take your name to make the function with your name as well. Suppose your name is Aryan, then you can put here Aryan and put in bracket. I wanna a square. When I put letter here, when I put the digit here, then return multiply yourself. Like I want a square of that number. Def analytical developer a return a into a. It means return a square. And suppose this is I define the function. Suppose I put the analytical developer 5, like this is the analytical developer 5, then return 25, result 25, right? I define the function of analytical developer. When I put the analytical developer, then it's return a square. Suppose I will put 5, then showing 25. When I put 4, then it will showing 16. And now it's time to understand about split function. A split function simply split the string. Like here is sentence. I wanna split in a list. Then how? Then with the help of a split function, we can split the word sentence, like split the word into of sentence. Like here, hello world, welcome to Python, right? I wanna split it, hello world, and after that, like welcome to Python in list. Then with the help of a split function, this is the syntax: a string dot split and separator. Separator means like separator which things you wanna split. Like how you can, like white space. Suppose here is nothing, then you can they split with white split, means a space. Like hello, between hello and world have a space, then that going to split it. And yeah, now it's complete this concept. And now it's suppose I don't wanna full things like hello world, welcome to. I wanna first word only. Then for that things, just put zero index. I wanna, this is the 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, like that. I wanna first word of this list, then just a split with 0. Suppose 0, then showing 0 index showing first word. Suppose I put here, then 1 index is world, then here is showing world. When I enter, then it's showing world. Yeah, this is the simple concept. I think you understood about this two concept. Now it's the time to go about how to do this thing. I define a function. I create a function with first word and run a split with 0 index. Means I wanna split it. This is 3 letter, no? This is 3 letter. I wanna split with index. I want to split it. And I wanna only 0 index. 0 index is first letter, right? And now this is showing like name 2 is not any kind of column here in the data set. Then this when I do these things, when I do write these things, then name 2 create a new column in that data set. Then df is showing the data frame and data set, and dot name I wanna name and apply this function first one. Then this is going then this function apply in name column, and that create new column with name 2, name underscore 2, like that. Suppose this is the name column, right? This is the car name. This is showing name column, showing full car name. And now new column is here. This column is showing only company name, because we extract the first name, extract the data from the name and create name 2. Yeah, now I think you got it. And we will analyze this according to these things. Now it's a time to data visualization of this data set. Before going to data visualization, I'll tell you one thing. I'll provide this notebook, like this notebook, not this one. Because you can just follow this notebook, like you can write first data visualization step by step, like whatever is written here, no, you just follow this one. Here only I am just writing the syntax for the practice, like how syntax is working, and here is written everything, like description, a step, like heading, like everything is written step by step. You can follow this one. I'll provide this one in description, video description, just to follow according to this step. And here I am doing only for practice in this Jupyter Notebook page. And let's start about data visualization. Like we have already add new column, that new column name 2. This is a company name. You can also write here company name, that is okay, because in this name column contain only company name of every car, right? And we have already learned about how you add the new column, right, in dataset. And suppose I wanna see where is new column. I wanna see, just write data frame df and shift enter. Then you can see name 2 is showing new column in this dataset, that is only company name. You can also change, suppose you wanna convert into name into company, then you just change from here. Then here company, here showing the company name. And now it's the time to visualization, data visualization. Then just make the heading from here, right? Okay. Then after that, data visualization, I want data visualization, shift enter. And yeah, this is the first question is, which car is the best selling in the company. Like we will do the analysis first, then after that data visualization. And yeah, I want a word chart, I want a column chart from this syntax. Like first you want to write this one, like df dot name 2. It means column name from the df data frame. And after that I want count value counts. It means getting this one. Just I just copy and paste. You don't do copy and paste, you can do manually for more understanding. Then after that we get, and I'll tell you about syntax of count plot. This is the count plot, and I'll tell you, this is seems like so heavy, so complex. I'll tell you in easy way and simple for this. This is the, like this is the Seaborn Python library, and after that dot I want count plot for the Seaborn, right? Then just write here step And after that, data is I want df, column name I want name to, and this is the color name. This is the color name of the column, like palette cmr map. It's showing the color of the bar, and this is the showing the plt. So means with the help of this syntax we get the graph, and I'll show you okay, how we can do sns dot count plot. I want a data is df, and after that column I want a count plot of column. This x is equal to showing column name. Column name is name underscore 2. I want count plot according to this one, and I don't put right now color name. So simply put simple graph. I want count plot plt matplot. PLT it means matplot. It's a short name of the matplot. We have already do no like short name of the matplot PLT, a matplotlib, pyplot, right? This is the short name of that, and just we can PLT dot after that. So in every graph at the end we should write this one PLT so, then we will get the graph and enter. Yeah, this is the basic step of like getting the count plot from this one. But here you can see like this is not seems like good. It's like complex. It's not able to understand. We can't understand this one. Then here you can see here this is the vertical way, but here is the horizontal way. But I wanna convert x level into vertical. For that things we have to do like like x stick. This is the plt x 6 rotation 90 degrees. Just copy and paste here, then we will get horizontal with the help of this one. Yeah, now it's okay. When you use this syntax in every graph in notebook, then your like your x level convert into vertical. You can put according to rotation is equal to 90 degree here, then that horizontal convert into 90 degree, 0 degree to 90 degree. And now I want like title. How can write the title? This is the title, like syntax of the title. Simple plt means matplotlib dot pyplot dot after that title. It's a simple syntax, and after that I want count name, and after that syntax color. When you put the color black, it means color of the title. Copy and just paste here. This is the title. Yeah, you can see here. Now I want like level of x-axis and heading of the y-axis. Now simply we can get from this one like plt dot x level name, font size it means size of the title, and color it means black. And similar you can do with y level. It's y level and x level, it means level of the y, level of the x. From this syntax we will get. Yeah, just copy and paste it here, and we will get here what is shift enter. You can see with the help of this syntax x level we get level of the x is name. And now it's a time to get y level from this one. Yeah, but I am just copy and paste because like I don't want to waste your time in this video, and you can like you can do manually for better understanding. And here is some mistake. You can see x level and put the name. This is I don't want a name, no, I want to count. Here is showing name, but I want to count. Yeah, number of otherwise you can say number of car sales. Yeah, Maruti sold like this one 1200, around 1200 cars. Yeah, now it's okay, now it's fine. And according to this graph, and now I want a color, like you can also put this one for color. Then it's depend on you, like you want to change the color, then you can put this color. When you put here, then this color change into this one. And there are lots of color, there are lots of palette. Just suppose you wanna get, just search in Google, there are lots of palette. And I think it seems fine. I think we have not to change, it's fine, I think. Otherwise you can change, like I'll show you how it is working. Like suppose I'll paste here, right? And simple, color will be changed, color has been changed, now it's okay. And according to this graph, we what we get, right? We get first Maruti company sold maximum sale, then after that Hyundai, after that, like you can identify according to yourself, like Mahindra, like that. And like we get the most common car model is Maruti. The Maruti Suzuki India Limited, formerly known as Maruti Udyog Limited, is India automobile manufacturer based in Delhi. Yeah, now it's okay. And like I wanna represent it, like this is the count plot. No, I wanna represent this company percentage wise with name as well, with pie chart as well. And this is the syntax of the pie chart. We have to remember the syntax because this is the very important, you will use in every project. When you use the notebook Python library, then you have to use to create the pie chart graph. And before focus on these things, I'll simplify step by step, then you that will be understandable for you. And don't see first again, like it seems so complex, no one can understand so easily. That's why I break every step by step. I tell you, suppose like this formula, I think I told you before. If first I want a column name 2 from the data set data frame. Yeah, first we write data frame. I want name column, I want name 2 column from the data set, and then this is the syntax. And after that I want value count. See, what is the repetition of Maruti Hyundai in that column, in name 2 column. Then Maruti repetition 1280, it means 1218 cars sold by the Maruti. And this is the things, like company car, like you can write the heading, car selling company and total number of cars sold, count the occurs names of the each company. Like this is the first is company name, car selling company name, and second is total number of cars sold, right? From this syntax I'll tell you before, like this is the syntax, right? And after that you have to understand about index. Yeah, index is important. This is the like all company name, but I want top car selling company name, top performer. So that for that things we use the index, like we have to use the index, like in a square bracket we use the index. Suppose I want 0 to 9 the top 10 company, then we have to write this index after this one. Yeah, from formula is same, but only different is we put the range. Okay, I want only 10 company, top 10 company from that things. Yeah, and this is the range. I want 0 to 10 company, it means 0 index to 9. 10 is not included in it. And like we haven't write anything, it means 0. And we got the 10 company, top 10 company from this syntax after putting the range in it. And now I want a company name only, car selling company name, like label. This is the syntax name, label list. This is the syntax, and I wanna show the syntax, I wanna show the label list, then this is getting. And similar things I wanna like I wanna like want company name, like when this is showing, this is the index. When put the index, then we will get the data only this one name, and we write the value. Suppose instead of index we write the value, then only show this one. I want total company name, then I from this formula df dataset in a square bracket, name to, we get name to, it's the column name. Then after that value count, this is the previous formula. Then after that you can put, I want not full this one, I want only index value. Index, it means this is the index. I want company name, so because when you put the company name index, then we will get this one. But index I want, and also after that we put the range. I want 0 index to 9. 10 means 10 is not included in it, it's excluded. When put the 11, it means 10 will be included. And I want 10 company, it means start with 0 index. Start every, everything start with 0 here. Like Maruti is a 0 index, Hyundai is 1 index, Mahindra is, like according to that, Mahindra is 2 index, like that. And I want 0 to 10, it means 10 company, it means 10 rows. And I want 10 company name, top 10 car selling company name. And with the help of this range we get the 10 company name. Yeah, this is important for understanding about how to write the pie chart syntax. I think you got the basic things, whatever I told you. This is useful for creating this graph, and I'll tell you. And now it's a time to understand about that, like company count. With the help of these things, I'll tell you, okay, you will get df, from df data frame, name to I want, count value I want, and I want only 10, like top 10 company. It means this is one. Yeah, this is the same formula here. Yeah, this, from this one we will get this output from this one. I will show you in another thing, like that. Yeah, I want pie chart. Here I want heading. This is not a code, that's why I have to change in heading. Then after that, this one, we want to output of the syntax. Yeah, now it's okay. This is the output. Got it? And this is the output. Don't think about this one, just write the pi, like plt pi. plt matplot, and after that pi, and after that I want the pie chart from this table. You can understand, just copy and paste it here in pie chart syntax. And I will tell you now, whenever you wanna show the graph, then just put this one syntax. plt means graph I wanna show. Yeah, now it's fine. And just format. Now it's a simple pie chart, but because with the help of this syntax we can't get what's the meaning of this one, and that's why I put everything to modify this pie chart into this one. And this is the parameter I'll put in pie chart syntax. Suppose first first parameter I put company count. Yeah, company count I put, and now it's the time to label I want to put. Label, it means this one, Mahindra, Tata, Honda, Ford, like that. I want this one. So for these things I'll tell you, like this is the list, label list. You will get the idea what is this one, what is the output of the syntax. Yeah, top 10 company you will get. I'll show you here, like label. Yeah, label list, car selling company, like this is the top car selling, this is the syntax. Label list, this is the syntax, top 10 car selling company name. You will get the top 10. Suppose here is table, and you will get top 10 company name only from the label list. And I want to put this label here, that's why I want list name, label list. Just copy and put it here, and this is the output. But when you put the here in plt pie chart syntax. This is the parameter. I want a label parameter here. Just write labels is equal to label underscore list. Now it's okay. Now it's showing the label as well. And now it's a time to third parameter. I want a color. This color. So for the color, this is the code. Color list is first color. This is the first color code, second color code, third color code, fourth color, like similar, pink, yellow. And like here is 10 bar, but here is 6 color. Here is only 6 color code, like 6 element in this color list. And when complete the sixth one, I start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that 6, 7 repetition is going. First I start with Maruti is showing this color, then after that Hyundai is showing this color, and after that next one this one, then after that I start with this one. You can see here first, and I start with again from 7th again. I think you are getting my point, what I am trying to say. Just copy it. And also, like you don't have to remember the code of the color. You just write it red, yellow, pink, blue, whatever. Otherwise you can search in a Google. You don't have to remember the color code. Just copy and paste here, and I wanna colors is equal to color underscore list. Yeah, now it's okay, right? Now color has been changed. Now it's a time to like shadow, fourth parameter. I want a shadow, like it seems like shadow. You can see this graph, it seems like 2D, but it seems like 3D. It seems like shadow, some kind of shadow is showing here, you can see. And when you put the true, like shadow true, it means shadow showing. Otherwise it's false, it means shadow will not show. You can see here. Yeah, I want a shadow, just put it here. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it seems fine. And now I want to now it's a time to rotate level. Rotate level, it means here is showing. Yeah, now it's a time to fifth parameter, rotates level. Rotates level have a true or false things, like suppose rotate level will put the true or false. That means showing true means rotate the level of this one, like Tata will rotate, seems like that. I'll show you how it is showing. Just copy and paste it here. Yeah, suppose false, it means nothing changed. Suppose I want a true. Maruti is showing like that, and he will convert into simple rotate happening. Yeah, like that, rotate. But it seems not okay, that's why I want false. Yeah, I think this seems better. And now it's the time to next parameter is sixth parameter is auto PCT. It's showing, it means like show the percentage of each category. Here is showing the percentage of each category, right? Before going to do this, like I wanna percentage of each category, right? Like 32.3% showing Maruti. From this syntax we will get, you have to remember this syntax, like auto PCT is equal to percentage in single quote, percentage 1.1 f, double percentage, and in and after that like single quote. Just copy here, copy it and paste it, simple comma. Yeah, now it's okay, but it seems not good because pie chart is so small here. I want a big pie chart, I want a big graph. For that things you have to like for that things you have to write this syntax plt figure, then you will get figure size of this syntax. From this syntax, like I want 8 8. 88 sim size, this one, 88 size is this one. Then just copy and paste it here. But you don't know, I am telling you again, you don't copy and paste, you have to write manually. plt dot figure parenthesis fig size is equal to, for better understanding, when you write it, then that will remember by you. That's why I'm saying many times. And now it's time to last parameter, a start angle of 45 degree I want, and rotate of pie chart. With the help of a start angle, we can rotate the pie chart, which normally start at 0 degree, means 3 o'clock position. It's a start generally first, first index, first row, so big this one. I'll show you how. Like first is Maruti, this is the top row, no? It means so big at 0 degree. 0 degree, it means 3 o'clock. Like here you can see, I wanna rotate 3 o'clock position. I wanna rotate 45 degree, means here is 0 degree showing. Then after that I wanna rotate 45 degree, means Maruti will go above, right? I will show you like that, 45 degree rotate. And with the help of this start angle, you can change, you can do the rotation in pie chart. Just copy it and paste it. You have to remember the parameter as well, and for any type of project you will get, then you can do similar thing. Yeah, now it's okay. Like Maruti rotate 45 degree. Now I want a title, like title is here, this syntax, and I want a name and color red, and font size is like this one. Yeah, just copy it and paste here. It's a no matter, you can put top and below, this is no matter for that. It's like notebook, read step by step, first read first row, second row, third row, like that. And like I don't want a title as a name, I want a number of cells in percentage by company, number of car sales, percentage of car sales, whatever you want you can write. Percentage of car sales. Yeah, now it's okay. I think everything we have covered. Yeah. Now it's okay, and we have to see, we have covered this one. And the most car output, we get the insight from this graph, like we have get the result. The most common car model is Maruti. It so has with pie chart table in this table. Again, the most type of car was Maruti, followed by Hyundai. This illustrated with word cloud graphic, like that. Got it? And now second question, we will go to second question. In which year were the most sales? Like every question, like we solve through count plot and pie chart. Like we use two graph to get the answer of like remaining question. We have total 6 question. I'll show you like this. I'll show you already. I have already shown you. We have we have 6 question, this one and this one. Yeah, we have 6 question, like this one and this one. Like we have already covered first question, and now it's a time to second question. And like every question we use count plot and like pie chart to get the answer of this question. And this is the process we are following to make this project, and we have completed. Now we are doing 5th and 6th. In 5th we are doing analysis before doing data visualization. We are doing analysis, then after that visualization. We are doing in every question to get the answer. And and wait, this is the Excel sheet. Now we are going to this question. In which year were most sales made? In which year were the most sales made? This is the question. Like in year column you can see there are many years, 2015, 14, 13, like there are lots of years. There are many years in this chart, in this data, and we wanna, like we wanna in which year were made more sales. Then for getting the answer, now we are doing this, follow this statement, and like I'll get this syntax, I'll get the answer from this syntax, like 2017, so 466 row. It means 466 row means total number of car sold by the company 466. It means I'll show you here. Before doing this, we have to write this question here. Like this is syntax heading, just put the heading and shift enter, and we will do same things in first question also. This is the, we have already done the first question, but we didn't put this question. Yeah, this is the first question. We have changed the code to title heading. Yeah, and now DF, this is the data, right? And we want a year. This is the year, in which year number of cars sold more, and for that things like we use this code. Yeah, no, this code not. Yeah, this code, like DF from year column, I want from the DF, it means table name, and value count. In this value count the number of column, number of row, not number of column. Count the number of rows available in this sheet. Like 2070 available 466 rows. It means total cars sold by the company 466. Then we have to copy from here, and you do manually and paste it. It means 466. Yani it means the number of total row contain 2070 in here, like 466 times in this year column. And for that, like we wanna this graph for the visualization. Similar things whatever we have done in the first question, similar things we follow in second question as well, and some changes in next question. This is the similar things we have done, like only changes column name, like SNS count plot, data is DF, column name X denote to column name, X is year column, and this is the color palette, so the color of the bar. Yeah, just to copy from here and paste it. Yeah, but you have, I told you many times, you have to also mlt plt dot, so you have to put it in every graph. Yeah, now it's okay, but like this is not seems good. Like I wanna in vertical way, this is not visible for us X level, then I want a vertical way. I told you in first question, for the vertical we have to copy xticks plt dot xticks rotation. I want 90 degree. 90 degrees is means vertical, like this. Just copy and paste it here. Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah, I wanna X level year, I wanna by level for count, I wanna title count here, like this. Just copy and year, like this is the title. Whatever you want to write in title level, you can just put like this. First you put title, then after that color, and you can also put the size. I want size, font size is more than that. In title I want more, yani it means it means this is the title, right? Year count is title. I want 20, then you can write 20 according to yourself. Yeah, then it's so bigger size. Just copy it. It's not matter, you can write first color and after that font, it's also okay. If you wanna write first font size, then after that color, it's also fine. There is no problem in it. This is the parameter: font size, color, year. This is the parameter. Just put it here. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's fine. And you can see here 2070 have largest var in this graph. Now it's the time to plot it in a pie chart. Similar process we will do. We have to write this index. I want a year column, right? I want a year column from the df and count the value. Value counts, it means repetition, the number of repetition happening in this column. I will show you. Yeah, we have done already in first question. I don't want to index, I want to index our value as well, right? First remove the index, and after that I want a value count. Yeah, this is the index, this is the value. Suppose you want only value, just write dot values, then you will get this one. You want index from the year, then you can write index. Yeah, like this. Now it's fine. I put the index, then we will get only year, only index from counts, value counts. And now we want, this is the label list. For making this graph pie chart, you have to write first label list, and for you write here label list. Similar things, whatever written here, this is the similar, but I want index. I want in the, like, I want show only 10 year, like top 10 year. Here is, like in pie chart, you can see here in pie chart, suppose show lot of year, then it seems like unable to understand. That's why I want to take only top 10 year in pie chart. I want to show only top 10 year in pie chart, top 10 year cells, right? And that's why we have to write this one here. Just put it here. Yeah, this is the top 10 year. This is output. And after that, sales by year, it means sales by year, it means you can see here sales by year. So the whatever I saw now before time, I want year from the df count value. It means so this one, so index and value both top 10 index and value. So for I will show you like that. This is showing index and as well as value, but only show 10, not all, because we have already put the index. Yeah, now copy and paste it here for the pie chart. Now second statement is color. This is the color I have already make you understood. Just copy and paste. Now it's time to pie chart syntax. I want, this is the pie chart syntax. You can write it here. Here is showing because we haven't put we have put only sales here, we have given sales here, and we have labels list. We have already given the label list before. We have rotation label is also available, but problem is that like we haven't write plt dot show. Now it's okay. Without plt show, we can't able to get the graph. And now it's time to, I want to figure larger size of the pie chart, just you can use plt.figure fig size is equal to 8,8 in parentheses. You can use you can write according to yourself. If you want more, then you can write 9, 10, whatever. Yeah, now it's okay. Similar things we have already put, we have already make you understand this. So this one, like here is percentage. Because of this parameter auto pct, we have get, like we got this one, like we can see here 12.1% percentage of these things. Now it's a time to get the title of this graph. For the title, plt dot title, then after that title name, color and font size in parameter. Yeah, title we want. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Is everything all is fine in this question? Yeah, we can see here, based on this data we can say that, like on the basis of this graph, like pie chart and this one, like count plot, we can say that most sales were made in 2017. This is illustrated with a word cloud graphics. This is another thing. Yeah, we have completed this second question. Now it's a time to third question. Before going to third question, please, I want one thing from you. Do these 4 things to motivate me for next project. You have to like this video. I nothing want from your side. I want like this video, comment on this video, just give the feedback, anything, whatever doubt is coming in your mind, you can put it. Yeah, suggestion, you can suggest me any kind of suggestion about this video improvement, you can write it in chat, and you can share the video. You can subscribe this channel, like channel name is Analytical Developer. Yeah, now it's a time to go in third question. Yeah, third question is, what was the most common type of fuel used by the car? Right, common fuel, like here is, you can see there, here, like here is like five type of like fuel used by the car. First is CNG, diesel, electric, LPG and petrol. You know, like this question want which is more useful for the car, which you can see the question. This is the question. What was the most common type of fuel used by the car? Then we have find it which is more useful for the car. Yeah, this is the question. And so in graphical representation with from count plot and like pie chart, and similar things we have to do, but some changes in this syntax for like this, because you know, like when you show in this is hectic. I will show you, I'll explain you. First we have to understand how to make this one. Similar process, copy the question, paste it here. This is the heading. Okay, yeah, like I want a fuel column from the df. From the df, it means data frame name and value count. Yeah, then after that index showing diesel, petrol, CNG, LPG, electric, and total diesel car sold by the company, this one 2153, like that. This is the data. Just yeah, you can do manually. Yeah, and similar syntax, SNS Seaborn dot count plot data data is equal to df and column is equal to fuel. Have, you know, column put in double quote, and after that this is the palette color of the bar. Just put it here. Yeah, and also we have to write this one, PLT show. Now it's okay. And we want X level, name is fuel. This is the X level. I want count in Y level, and font size is 10 and color is blue, and title is this name I want title, and color is blue. But I want a title 20 bigger size, font size is bigger. Then for that number of car, this is showing now I want a bigger size of this title. So just put it this one. Font size I want 10. I don't want 10, we want 20. Just put it. Now it's okay. Just copy from here, paste it here. Yeah, now it's fine. You can see this graph, like diesel is showing highest one, then diesel is answer of this question. And we also want the represent in pie chart. For pie chart we have to write this syntax, similar syntax. Label I want fuel is a column name, I want value column, index, like that. This is the label. It means this is showing diesel, electric, LPG. This is the label. And car count by the fuel, this is the value, and this is showing value and index both. Car name like petrol name, and as well as I show you here. Yeah, this is similar formula is this is showing index as well as fuel as well as count. It means count means like diesel is repeat like 2153 times in this data set. It means repetition show the number of car sales, right? And now color is also same, so everything is same like PLT. But this is new here, like explode part. I will show you what is the meaning of explode. Just copy it, paste it here. Figure size I want 8, copy, paste it. This is the main syntax of the just copy, yeah. Why we got error I will show you. Like this is the extra thing, explode, right? Now it's okay. Yeah, like when we don't use the explode, then it's a overlap each other. That's why we want, if we want this one, right, we want this one, then it is showing good. The electric is 2.02% and LPG is 0.53, but here is we can't get now. That's why we, for the like this parameter we have to use for more understanding, for better visual. Like explode, when we do explode parameter, then it's showing like that. Like explode means showing like this. I'll show you here. This is the parameter we have used to this one. And like explode range we have to write in list, like for first element 0, second element 0, like that we have to write. Suppose 0, it means no break into another one. Like when we put, like its range of explode element value is 0 to 1. When we write 0.2, 0.3, it means that little bit pie chart, that category pie chart far away, little bit far away from the original part. I'll show you how this is working. Suppose we have, like in these things we have how many category? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 category we have. Then we have to also write 5 element in explode. Like I don't want to explode, that's why we have put 0. Second I don't want, third I don't want, fourth category is like LPG I want 0.3. that's why LPG is a little bit far away from the original part, and I want one of electric. This is I want, just copy it, this parameter, paste it. Like explode part is a name of these things, this element, and I want to put it here. For that things we have to write this one, explode parameter is equal to explode part. This is this one, put it here, right? Just copy it and put it here, anywhere in parameter. I want here and shift enter. Now it seems okay. And according to this one, most common type of fuel is diesel, followed by petroleum. First, it means first fuel is diesel, then after that petrol. You can see here, first is, this is the largest number, diesel is largest number, then after that petrol, then after that CNG, like that. This is the step, this is the order. And now it's a time to fourth question. Like we have to copy this one and paste it here. I want heading this question, right? And similar strategy we use to get the answer. Yeah, a question is, in which sales type were most sales made through the individual, the dealer or trust mark dealer? This is the question. I'll show you in Excel sheet. Yeah, sales type. I want to keep more sale who did like dealer or individual or trust mark dealer. This is the sheet of Excel. I want this one. We will work on this column to get the answer. Which performance is better, dealer or individual or trust mark dealer? This is the question. Yeah, from this syntax you just change the column name. This is seller type, is a column name. I'll show you. DF, we are working on this one, right? This one, that's why we have put this column name. And I want value count, similar things, just copy and paste it here, right? And similar things we have do here, like Seaborn, count plot, data frame is like only changes seller type, only changes column of this set. Column name is seller type, and also color I want to change. You can, like talking about palette, suppose you don't know na, you have no need to remember this palette. You can explore in a Google. Whenever you are making this project, you don't know about palette, you just get the palette idea from the Google. Which palette we have to write according to yourself. You can write, you can put any kind of palette. And title I want seller type, by label I want count, title I want seller type count, and PLT show. Just copy and paste it here. Similar things, I don't want to waste your time here in video, that's why I just copy it and paste it here. You can see this count plot, higher individual, like individual performance better, because this war chart showing more of individual, then after that dealer, then after that trust mark dealer, right? Now it's a time to like this table is showing where sales are made, individual sales are highest, right? And now it's a time to make this pie chart graph. Like this is the figure size syntax, and label I want, you can write it here. This is also in list, in a square bracket, list label is this one, dealer and trust mark and individual. You can write it here like that, like you can write it here. Like similar process we have done in different way now. For label we have write in we get like that. For index from count value count, like that we have get. And what we are doing in different way here. In manual we are used because this is easier, I think. No, this is not easier, both are easy, but I'll show you in different way for better understanding, right? To better understanding. And seller type count is like this one. Yeah, and the title is seller type, similar things whatever we have already used. Explode we want 0.7, and after that 0, then after that 0. But here 0 I want, like third part, 0.7. Yeah, explode I want 0.7. This is the first element now, this is first index. Like in this explode list, like first I want 0.7, and like first is showing in level. You can say I want a trust mark dealer to split from the original pie chart. You can this is very important, like when you put the first element, then you can align with level as well. Yeah, you have to think about that. Index is matter here. Like you wanna first, this is the 0 index, then this 0.7 work for 0 index, and if you want to, this is second one is first index. When you put it here 1.3, then 1.3 work for dealer. This is dealer is first index of level 2, and this is the second index, and this work for individual, this work for dealer, like that. Yeah, you can see here, but it seems not good. I don't want 0 index. I don't want, we have to put it in first index, in first element is 0. Yeah, now it's fine. And similar things, first parameter, level parameter, explode parameter, auto color, like you can write it in pie chart syntax. Yeah, otherwise you can write it here. First you name of the color, then after that colors is equal to color list. You can write both is right. Yeah, now just select all and copy and paste it here. Yeah, seems okay. And this pie chart showing where sales were made, individual sales are highest. Yeah, now we have got the fourth answer. We have completed fourth question, and now it's the time to fifth question. Like fifth question is, car are usually manually or automatic. Copy, and I want title, it means heading, just shift enter. Yeah, I'll show you in Excel. Yeah, now we are working on transition. Like transition element, transition column have two type of transition. First is automatic and manual. We have to find like most sell, like which car is sold more, like automation or manual. For these things we have used similar process. Yeah, only column difference, transition, just copy and paste it here. Like transition, first is manual, this is showing 3892, automatic so 448, right? And we got the answer. A manual is more performance better. Manual is number of manual car is more as compared to automatic. But I wanna like represent in count flow. Similar things, only change is transmission and palette is different, and everything is similar. Just copy and paste it here. And now it's time to pie chart. It is graphics, so whether car are manual or automatic, most are manual car, like this. First syntax is PLT figure size, level, like there is two level, like automatic and manual. Then after that transition count, this is the similar formula, similar syntax from this one. Then after that pie chart syntax, level, transition count, explore, explode, auto PCT, then color. You can also, I told you, okay, you can also put it like that. Here is, color, only two color we want to put. That's why we can write it here, as well as you can write it here, as well as, like, you can first name of the color syntax, then after that you can put it color is equal to color list, any kind, like according to it depends on you. You can do whatever you want. And the start angle 90 degree, and title, just copy and paste it here. Yeah, now it's fine, right? In this graph that show whether pie chart showing, most of them are manual, right? This is the last question. Before going the last question, I'll tell you one thing about this Power BI project. Like, we have already published this Power BI project. If you wanna work on Power BI project, I have covered a lot of things. Like, we have talked about sales report, customer report. This is the dashboard we have made in Power BI. If you wanna make a project in Power BI like this one, this is there are 2 pages in this dashboard. Then just go in my channel and you can explore it, and you will learn a lot of things. I have covered many things, right? Filter panel, sales report. When we click on customer report, then get the another page. Yeah, and this is the last question. Copy and paste it here. Heading. Yeah, owner status I want, right? The question is, are vehicles generally sold as first hand, second hand, or something else? Like, this is the Excel sheet. You can see here owner status is showing like 5 types: first hand, second hand, third owner, yeah, test driver, fourth and above owner. It means hand, first hand, second hand, like that, third hand, like that. Yeah, someone takes the car only for test driving car, like that. And for these things we have to, this is the owner is column name of this data set, just paste it. First hand showing 2832. It means first owner is performance is better, and second is 1106, like that. We got the answer of this question, but we analyze the data, we represent the data in this way, right? And for that, similar things, only owner is X. Column is what? Column we want owner, like that, and palette is different. And like we have already covered about x text rotation 90 degree. It means title x label showing horizontal way, not horizontal, in vertical way. When it's so horizontal, it's overlap each other. Just copy it and paste it here. Now it's fine. Now the chart shows sellers are selling more first hand, and this is the label. This is the size is showing, you can say size is showing this one, like this one is showing. This is the same syntax whatever we have used inside. It's depend on you. If you wanna change it, then change it here and change it here, right? And everything is same. Color, size, explode part I wanna in third element 0.9. Third element is this one, fourth and above owner, like 1.9%, right? First is showing 65%, 0.3%. First owner is this, and just this is the parameter. Just copy and paste it here. Yeah, now it's complete the project. But wait, to getting the certificate, I'll tell you the process about how to fill the form, because I'll tell you one important thing you have to follow in Google form. Then after that you will get the certificate. Yeah, the pie chart show us the seller are selling more hand first hand. And now this is the heading. Result is which car is the best selling in company. You got the answer Maruti. Then second question is in which year were most sales? 2070. And third question, fuel used by the car. More fuel used by the car is diesel. Then after that petrol, whatever. And sales type is individual mode. And manual or automatic car are usually, like mostly usually car are manual. Then after that sold as first hand, second hand, or third hand. We have get first hand is generally, like we can say that vehicle are generally sold first hand followed by second hand, like that. And before going to tell you okay how to get the certificate, I wanna four things you can do. I want four things from your side, like you can like this video, you can comment or give the feedback about this video, and you can share this video, and you can subscribe this channel, because when you subscribe this channel, then you will get a lot of video project related to data analytics. And like I have one project I have completed in this channel, like you can see my channel Power BI. I made a dashboard of Power BI. I analyzed in a better way, you can see that. And if you wanna Excel dashboard, then I'll upload within 1 month, like within 1 week, like after 4 to 5 days I'll upload. You can explore my channel, suppose I have already uploaded, and that is the dashboard on Excel. I cover everything. So suppose you are beginner, then that is also for you. You just explore my channel, and suppose you will get a project according to yourself, then just watch and complete, and again you will get the certificate. Now it's a time to I am talking about this Power BI project I have already done in this channel. You can explore it and watch it. This is the Power BI project. And now it's the time to this certificate how to get. I will tell you. There is a link you will get in a description, and suppose you click it, then you will get it, this one. You will get this form. You have to fill the form. It will take only 5 to 4 minutes, and you have to read carefully, and after that you will get. I'll explore that thing, what have to put it, like welcome to Analytical Developer. This is the channel name, and free project completion certificate. You have to read it yourself near. And how to get your certificate? First you have to complete this project. After that, post on LinkedIn. You have to post on LinkedIn, like I'm talking about this project. You have to post a small video about this project. Otherwise you can also post the screenshot. You can post the screenshot of your work as well as, and you can tag Analytical Developer, right? And then I will explore how your project was. Then after that I will like you will get the certificate. After exploring, first I'll explore your LinkedIn ID. How was your project? How is your project? Then after that, within 2 days, through the Gmail, like you will get certificate from this Gmail, right? You will get the certificate through Gmail after filling the form. And simple, this is the channel. I'll tell you about this channel, YouTube channel. Simple, which type of project I'll upload, and this is the sample of the certificate. You have to write name, email address, phone number, department, batch, and date of completion, right? Okay, suppose today you have completed your project, then you put today date, and after that send 3 screenshots. I want a 3 screenshot, like one feedback or any comment on the project video. Suppose you can do the comment, any kind of improvement comment, any kind of comment, what you think about my videos. And after that you can send the first any kind of comment. You take the screenshot and send it here from here. Then after that like the project screenshot, and after that subscribe the channel and send the screenshot. This is the process. This is things I want from you. Nothing I want from these things I want from you. And after that, like your LinkedIn ID, you can put it here. Then I can explore your channel LinkedIn ID, how you make the project, and just share your videos or a screenshot. It's depend on you. If you wanna send the screenshot of your work, then okay. If you wanna send your project video, then it's as well as it's also okay. It's depend on you. And suppose you wanna like would you like to share your video project video or a screenshot? You just suppose you wanna a screenshot, you wanna share the screenshot of your project, then you can just click on share.
And this is the simple contribution. Like suppose you if you wanna support me in improving the quality of project video, you can contribute a small amount. This amount you can pay. It's a depend on you. It's not a mandatory, but I have put a lot of effort and dedication into creating these videos. And you know, like if you are not interested, no worry, you can simply skip this part. And you know, like suppose you don't pay, then it's not affect your certificate. It's not a mandatory to pay. You have to pay. Like suppose you don't want to pay, then it just skip this part. And simple give any feedback about improvement, about my way of teaching, anything, whatever thought come in your mind, you can just put it. And suppose I'll get feedback, then I'll work on it, and after that I'll tell you, okay, what you get. Yeah, this one important thing, you will get the file of the project in this extension and dataset. Like whatever I use here, everything I provide freely in description. A step by step project documentation I will provide. And thank you so much for watching this project. I hope you will complete this project. We will meet in next project. Bye bye.